Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use WhatsApp on laptop/PC without using BlueStacks, which is the software people use to install WhatsApp on the PC. So if you're a fan of fun tips, tricks and hacks, just be sure to subscribe. And then first things first, we need to go to your laptop or personal computer, then search for web.whatsapp.com. Yes, go to the search area and input web.whatsapp.com and then search. Then on searching, this will be displayed on your computer. As we wait for that to load, then that's the QR code that will need to be scanned by your phone to display the WhatsApp on your computer. Just make sure you got your phone WhatsApp and do the following steps. Go right there above, then select WhatsApp web, then scan the QR code on your PC or laptop. So automatically after scanning the QR code, it will be the WhatsApp of your phone will be automatically displayed on your personal computer or laptop. So if you want to chat on the laptop straight away, just select a particular chat and then start the conversation. So thanks for watching. See you next time. It's the Albert Teaches.